How to change the roaming clock, time zone, and region on the lock screen and AOD on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, scroll down and tap on roaming clock. Tap on the left hand side panel. At the top here, make sure you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then go down and tap on region. From here, select a region that you want to use. So select region, say Switzerland. And Switzerland doesn't have multiple time zone. In a region where there are multiple time zones, like Australia, you can select a time zone. Say Brisbane. So we can choose Brisbane, or we can choose another city. Say Perth. And that's it. After you can tap on the back key, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.